Hey folks, how we doing? Welcome to another edition of Mr. Dorn's Messy Garage. As you see, we're broadcasting here from my messy garage. And I've got a picture-in-picture thing that's a little weird. Okay, anyway, let's talk about math. I know it's your favorite thing in the world, but yeah, let's do this. Okay, so this is technically what was supposed to have been finished up yesterday, but we didn't really get to it. We didn't get everything done in time. We'll go over it now. All right, and I'll also talk about the Thursday stuff that we're supposed to do today. Okay? If we're running a little bit behind, I'm not going to get super angry, but we got it. We got to be getting work done. Okay? All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this. So what we're doing is we're finding the number you get for each expression. These are expressions. Anybody who's working on that section of Moby Math, anytime you have a plus sign or, things are multiplied together, that's an expression. If it has an equal sign after it, that's an equation. We're not doing those yet. It's coming. We're doing algebra, folks. Oh, yeah. Okay, anyway, back to where we were. Find the number you get for each expression when you substitute 4 for x. So anytime we see an x, we're going to put a 4 in its place. It's like right here. They had x plus 5. They swapped out 4 for x, so the 4 plus 5. And we all know that is 9. Can't really. Let me adjust my lighting, see if that helps. Not so much. Let me turn this one off. All right, it's a little bit darker, but you can see it better. All right. So if we have x plus 3, our first step is substitute 4 for the x. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? Well, we've got 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom, shakalaka. Our answer is 7. X plus 10. Substitute 4 for the x. Where you see that x, put a 4. Bring the rest of your problem. What is 4 plus 10? Hey, here's a hint. Instead of starting at 4 and counting up to 10, start at the 10 and count up 4 spaces. It's a little bit quicker that way. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Boom! Goes the dynamite. Okay, now I'm just being ridiculous. I know. Okay, so that's what you get for these. Now, those were what were supposed to be done on, Wednesday. Today, however, is Thursday. Well, guess what? It's still the same page. It's still the same rules. Substitute 4 for x. So wherever you see x, sorry, I had to scoot something out of the way there, put a number 4. So everything below this line is Thursdays, is today's. Now we're getting a little more complicated, huh? Yeah, up here we're multiplying. So 9x is the same as saying 9 times 4. And that, you look at your time charts or a calculator, or you just count by 4s or 9s, do your 9 trick. Okay, you find 9 times 4 is 36. Whoop, whoop. There we go. All right, now this right here, like I said, is a little more complicated. It's a 2-step problem. But we've done 2-step problems, didn't we? We did them yesterday. 2x plus 3. Well, when I see an x, what am I going to put in its place? A 4. So 2 times 4 plus 3. We don't have to multiply before I add. What's 2 times 4? 2, 4, 6, 8. And then add 3 to it. 9, 10, 11. That's it. Let me do this one over here. 5x or 2. I'll do 2x minus 10. You guys can do 5x minus 10. All right, so what's 2x? Is 2 times 4, right? 2 times 4 minus 10. Oh, whoa. Hold up. Wait a minute. 2 times 4, that's 8. Can I take 10 away from 8? Like, if I have $8, but I really want this, I don't know, if I want to buy a pizza, it's going to cost me $10, but I've only got 8. I've got to borrow 2 from my folks, right? So then how much do I owe them once they pay it off? So take your 10, take 8 away from it. Remember, it's a negative number. Still owe them $2, so it's a negative 2. What about 3 times x plus 1? So what's 3 times 4 plus 1? 4 plus 1 is 5. Very good. Very good. And then 3 times 5. 5, 10. Somebody said it. Who was it? Aubrey, was that you? All right, good job. 15. There you go. That's all we're doing here. Here's one they've done for you. I'm going to do, okay. Hold up. These are going to be more complicated. I'm going to do both of these with you, okay? All right. We've talked about squares and what that means. That's this number times itself. So this number, if x, we're putting a 4 down there. 4 squared plus 5 times 4. All right. 4 squared means 4 times 4. This number times itself. What is 4 times 4? Look on your chart, type it in your calculator. 4 times 4 is going to equal 16. Plus 5 times 4. Well, I'm going to count 5 4 times. 5, 10, 15, 20. Then we add 16 plus 20. There we go. And that gives us 36. And here's another one with squares. X squared minus 7x. So x squared, again, is 4 squared. 4 times 4. Minus 7 times 4. All right, 4 times 4. We saw it over here. We're going to use the same number again, right? Because it's still 4 times 4 is 16. Then you have 16 minus, what's 7 times 4? It's all right if you don't know off the top of your head. That'll be okay. We'll be all right. Hold up. Okay, 7 times 4 equals 28. And then we do right here, 16 minus 28. 16 minus, or take away, 28. Gives us a negative 12. Make sure you have that negative sign in front. Negative 12. Okay? I'm going to do one more from the bottom, and that'll be it. You guys can work the rest of these. It's not a lot of problems. I'll do negative x minus 5. How's that? Negative x. So if x is 4, I have negative x, that's going to be negative 4 minus 5. Now, you can work this straight like this, or the way my brain works it better is I think negative 4 plus negative 5. A minus is the same as saying plus a negative. So if I look at it this way, I think it's like 4 plus 5, just with a negative sign in front. What is 4 plus 5? or 5 plus 4. It's going to be the same way, right? Same answer. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But remember, we have a negative plus a negative. Our answer is going to be negative. -9. All right? Go through and finish the rest of those. There's not a lot of problems. Might take you a few minutes, but that'll be okay. Look what we did. Look what we did together here in just, 10 minutes? Y'all got this. Okay? So finish this up first, and then go back and try to work some of the ones up at the top part. Okay? Those are going to be a lot easier too. All right. Thanks, folks. Stay inside, stay safe. Don't get out there when it gets icy. Okay? Love you much, and I'll see you when we're back together. Bye.